Hello there, my name is Ketsi Kajabo and this is Trending Now. In Kenya, ride-hailing drivers working with Bolt staged protests in Nairobi, saying low fares and rising fuel prices are making it increasingly difficult to earn sustainable incomes. The riders accused the platform of failing to adjust pricing despite growing operational costs, including fuel and vehicle maintenance expenses across Kenya. Protesters called for a review of fare structures and better working conditions, warning that continued pricing pressures could negatively affect drivers and the wider ride-hailing sector. Meanwhile, Tanzania has called for greater African cooperation to protect the continent's natural diamond industry as synthetic diamonds continue to expand in global markets. Officials warned that Africa, which produces a significant share of the world's natural diamonds, risk losing economic value and jobs if countries do not work together to strengthen the sector. Tanzania urged African producers to promote the value of natural diamonds, improve benefiction, and increase local processing to ensure the industry continues contributing to economic growth and employment across the continent. In developments from the World Health Organization and the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have adopted a joint Ebola response plan as authorities in the Democratic Republic of the Congo strengthen hygiene and containment measures to curb the spread of the virus. Officials say the strategy focuses on surveillance, rapid response, public awareness, and cross-border coordination as health teams work to prevent further infections. The outbreak has raised regional concern, prompting African health agencies to increase preparedness and reinforce cooperation among neighboring countries. In the next story, Ghana has committed to renewing the mining lease for Goldfields' Tarkwa operation, but officials say the process will no longer involve automatic extensions under revised mining regulations. The government stated that the future renewals will be subject to updated rules aimed at strengthening oversight, increasing national benefits, and ensuring greater accountability in the mining sector. The move reflects Ghana's broader efforts to tighten control over natural resources while maintaining investor confidence in one of Africa's leading gold-producing economies. Thank you for tuning into Trending Now. Make sure to stay updated on all of our social media platforms at EMG TV.